First approximations. (91 to 95). First priority bracket value or not? Left hand side bracket value. 52 square minus 34 square means a square minus b square or not? A minus b into a plus b. 52 minus 34 how much? 18 or not? Into 52 plus 34. 86 divided by 18 into under root of something. It is equal to how much? 1720 or not? 18 cancel or not? 86 almost 1720. 20 times or not? What is the 20 square? 400 or not? Next question number 92. First priority left hand side bracket value in numerator or not? First one 340 into how much? 10. Nothing but 3400. Divide by 0.4. This one I written 3400. Divide by 4 into 10 or not? Okay, means 34,000 by 4 or not? What is the half of the 34,000? 17,000. Half of the 17,000? 8,500 or not? Plus how much value you are adding? 1245. What is the total answer? 9745. Next question number 93. First priority left hand side 350 into how much? 20. 350 into 20 means 7,000 or not? 11,500 and 7,000. What is the difference? 4,500. That is equal to something square into 180 or not? First zeros are cancelled or not? 18 to the how much? 36. Remaining 90. How many times? 5 times. Something square 25 means something value 5. Next question number 94. First priority left hand side bracket value or not? 1800 divided by square root of something into how much? 30. Divide by 15. This one we written into 1 by 15 or not? That is equal to 144. 15 how many times? 30. 2 times. 1800 into 2 means 3600. Means we written 36 into 100 or not? 36 how many times? 144. 4 times. Here 100 times or not? 4 how many times? 25 times or not? Square root of something equal to 25. Something equal to 625. Next 95. First priority left hand side 52% of which one? 750 or not? What is the 50%? 375. What is the 1%? 7.5. 2%? 15. 375 plus 15. 390 or not? Plus 45% of which one? 420 or not? 45% means 50% minus 5%. What is the 50%? 210. 5%? 21. 210 minus 21. 189 or not? Minus 15 square. 225 or not? First 90 plus 89. 179 minus 25. 154 or not? Okay. What is the carry value? 1. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 minus 2, 3 or not? 354. What is the nearest value? 355. Next quadratic equations. X square minus 22x plus 121 equal to 0. Means x roots are plus 11 and plus 11 or not? Next y roots. Y square equal to 121. Y equal to plus or minus 11 or not? Okay. 11 compared to plus 11 equal. 11 compared to minus 11 greater. Then answer x greater than or equal to y. Next 97. What is the coefficient of x square? 3. What is the coefficient of y square? 4. What is the LCM of 3 comma 4? 12. Means x roots multiplied by 4 times, y roots multiplied by 3 times or not? 3 into 24, 72. Means 8 into 9. One will be minus 8, another one minus 9. Second one 4 into 14. 56. 7 into 8 minus 7 minus 8 and what are the x final roots? 32, 36. Y final roots? 21, 24. 32 compared to 21, 24 greater. 36 compared to 21, 24 greater. What is the answer? X is greater than y. Next 98. What is the coefficient of x square? 3. But coefficient of y square? 6. What is the LCM of 3 comma 6? 6. 3 how many times? 2 times. X roots multiplied by 2 times. But 6 how many times? 1 time. Y roots multiplied by 1 time. 3 into 15 how much? 45. But sum is 14. One will be plus 9. Another one plus 5. Second one 6 into 12. 72 means 8 into 9 plus 8 plus 9. Okay. What are the x final roots? Minus 18 minus 10. Y final roots? Minus 8 minus 9. Obviously x is less than y. Next question number 99. What is the coefficient of x square? 3. Coefficient of y square? 2. Means x roots multiplied by 2 times, y roots multiplied by 3 times or not. Means both the equations a value are different or not. 3 into 12 how much? 36. Means 9 into 4 plus 9 plus 4 or not. Second one 2 into 27. 54 means 9 into 6 plus 9 plus 6 or not. What are the x final roots? Minus 18 minus 8. Y final roots? Minus 27 minus 18 or not. Answer x greater than or equal to y. X is greater than or equal to y. Which option? Fourth one. Next question number 100. Both the equations coefficient of x square and coefficient of y square are same. Then directly I take the factors or not. 2 into 14 28 means 7 into 4. Final roots are minus 7 minus 4 or not. Second one 2 into 33 66. 11 into 6 minus 11 minus 6. Final roots are initial roots. Final roots. Minus 7 compared to minus 11 greater. But sorry, minus 7 compared to minus 11 greater. Minus 7 minus 6 less than. Opposite symbols or not. What is the relation? No relation or not. Next 86 to 90. Data given are regarding the total number of students, both the boys and girls, in 5 different coaching institutions in the year 2020. First one total number of students, second one number of boys. First in Institute A, what are the total students? Institute A total students 360. In that boys are 200. Boys are 200. Obviously girls is 160. Next Institute B, what are the total students? 340. In that boys 250. Remaining 90 are girls. Institute C, total how many students? 220. What is the number of boys? 120. Remaining 100 are girls or not. Institute D, what is the total students? 260. Out of 260 boys are 140. Remaining 120 are girls. Institute E, what is the total students? 280. 280. Out of 280 boys are 150. Remaining 130 are girls. Okay. What is the first question? Out of all the given institute, in which institute the difference between the number of girls and number of boys was the maximum or minimum? Maximum. First one difference 40. Second one 160. Third one 20. Fourth one 20. Fifth one 20. Obviously second one error. Means B or A? B. Maximum difference or minimum difference? Maximum. Next question number 87. What was the difference between the total number of boys total number of students, both the boys and girls in institutes A and B together, and that in institutes D and E together అన్నాడు. A and B together means how many members? 700 అన్నాడు. Next D and E together means 540. What is the difference? 160. Next question number 88. The number of boys in institute E is what percentage less than the institute B or not? E. What are the E members are given? E boys 150 and E is less than that institute B. What are the institute boys? 250. How many members are less? 100. 100 upon 250 means 40% or 50%? 40%. 100 by 250 into 100 or not? 0 cancel 25 4 times, it will be 40%. Next question number 89. What is the average number of boys in A, B, C or not? What are the A boys? 200, B boys 250, C boys 120. Total it is 570. Divide by 3. How much? 190 or not? Next question number 90. What is the respective ratio between the total number of boys in institutes C and D together and total number of girls in the same institutes or different institutes? Same institutes. C and D boys is how many members? 260. C and D girls 220. 260 and 220. What is the ratio? 13:11. Which option? Fifth one. Next. 76 to 80. Study the following table carefully and answer the questions. Dance school A. Dance school A, total number of students who have enrolled in the schools is how much? 200. Percentage of enrolled students who are learning freestyle dance is how much? 25%. Out of 200, 25% are learning freestyle dance. Means what is the 25% of 200? 50. That 50 is distributed male and female are at which ratio? 2:3 or not? Okay. 2:3 means one is 20, another one 30 or not? Okay. What is the first question? If you require data, then use the values. Out of 200, 25% are freestyle dance, means remaining 75% are other than the freestyle dance or not? Okay. What is the first question? What is the respective ratio in the total number of male students learning freestyle in schools A and C together and the total number of female students learning same in the same schools together or different schools? Same schools. First, learning freestyle in dance school A how much? 200. In that how much percent? 25%. 25% of 200? 50 or not? That 50 are splitted in which ratio? 2:3. Means male are 20 members, female are 30. And dance school C, what is the total how many students? 150. In that freestyle 30%. What is the 30% of 150? 45. That 45 is split at 2:7 ratio. Total how many parts? 9 parts. 9 parts 45. Every one part 5. 2 parts are 10. 7 parts are 35. What is the question here? Male and female ratio. 20 plus 10. 30. 30 plus 35. 65. What is the ratio? 6:13. Next, 77. The number of students, both male and female, who are learning freestyle in schools C and D together is what percent less than the number of students, both male and female, who are learning the same in schools A and B together? Okay. In A, in C and D together. In C already learning freestyle is how many members? 45. D learning value 72, because 24% of which one? 300. 45 plus 72 117 is what percent less than the learning the same in schools A and B together? In A how many members are learning freestyle? 50 members. In B learning 28% of 400. What is the 28% of 400? 112. 50 plus 112. 162 or not? But we required percentage less or value less? Percentage less. What is the difference between 117 and 162? 45 upon which one? 162 into 100 అన్నాడు. 9 how many times? 5 times. 9 how many times? 18 times అన్నాడు. It is 500 by 18. 500 by 18 means less than 30 times or more than 30 times? Less than 30 times అన్నాడు. 500 by 18 means 18 to the how much? 36. Remaining value 140. 140 means it is almost 7 times అన్నాడు. 18 sevens but less than 8 times అన్నాడు. More than 27 times but less than 28 times. What is the nearest value? 27. 7 by 9 అన్నాడు. Next question number 78. Out of the number of students, both male and female, learning freestyle in school B, 5 by 8 are which one? 15 years or above. If out of the total students who are 15 years or above, 30% are which one? Females. What is the number of female students learning freestyle who are below 15 years అన్నాడు. First, out of the number of students, both male and female, learning freestyle in school B. In school B, learning freestyle is how many members? 1, 1, 2. In that 5 by 8 are which one? 15 years or above. Out of the total students who are 15 years or above, 30% are which one? Females or not? Females or males? Females. If out of the total students who are 15 years or above, 30% are which one? Females or not? What are the total students? 400. What is the total freestyle learning value? 112. In that 5 by 8 or not? In that 5 by 8 means how much? 8 how many times? 14 times. 14 5s are how much? 70. 70 members are 15 years or above or not? Okay. And here out of the total students who are 15 years or above, 30% are which one? Females. But your question is, what is the number of female students learning freestyle who are below 15 years or not? First, what is the total students in B? Total learning students are how much? 112. In that male and female are in which ratio? 7:9. 7 plus 9, 16 parts. 16 parts are 1, 1, 2. Every one part 7. 7 sevens are 49. 9 nines are 7 sevens are 49. 8 sevens are 9 sevens are 63. Okay. What is the total females? 63. Total females are 63. And here out of the total females, 30% are which one? 15 years or above. Out of what is the total freestyle? 112. In that 15 years or above, 70 or not? Just 1 minute. What is the total free learning? 112. In that 5 by 8 are which one? 15 years or above or not? Means remaining 3 by 8 are less than 15 years or not? 8 how many times? 14. 14 3s are 42. What is the question here? If out of the total students who are 15 years or above, 30% are which one? Females. 112 into 5 by 8. What is the 112 into 5 by 8? 14 5s are how much? 70 or not? Out of 70, 30%. What is the 30% value? 21 or not? Females are 21. Then males are how many members? 49 or not? What is the question here? Female students who are learning freestyle who are below 15 years. How many members? 42 or 49? 42. Direct members or not? Out of 112 we required which one? 3 by 8. Next question number 79. What is the difference between the total number of male students learning freestyle in schools B and D together and the total number of female students learning the same in the same schools or different schools? Same schools. Male students learning freestyles in schools B and D or only B? B and D. First, in B, what is the total members? 400. In the 28%, 112 or not? Out of 112, male and female ratio 7:9. Means 7 parts are 49, 9 parts are 63. And D also, out of 300, how much percent? 24%. Means 72. It is splitted 9:3 ratio. 12 parts 72, every 1 part are 6. 9 parts are 54, 3 parts are 18. What is the question here? Total number of female students learning in the same, difference between male and female. What is the 49 plus 54? 103. 63 plus 18? 81. What is the difference? 22 or not? What is the average number of students learning dance forms other than the freestyle? Other than the freestyle in schools B, C, D or not? Out of 400, 28% are freestyle. Remaining 72%. 72% of which one? 400. Means we return 72 into 4 or not? Next, in C, out of 150, 30% are freestyle. Other than the freestyle, 70% of which one? 150. Nothing but 7 into 15 or not? Plus, out of 300, 24% are freestyle. Remaining 76% of 300. Then we return 300 into 76% means 3 into 76. But we required average means divide by 3 or not? 3 how many times 72? 24. 3 how many times 15? 5 times. 3 how many times 3? 1 time. 24 for the 96 plus 35 plus 76. End with 6 plus 5, 11 plus 6, 7. How many options? 207. Next arithmetic question 66. Ruhi gave 40% of her money to which one? Ravi. Ravi gave 3/4 of amount he received from Ruhi. Means Ravi is how much percent? 40% or not? Then Ruhi will be how much percent? Ruhi gave 40% of her money to Ravi. Then Ruhi will be how much percent? 100% or not? Ravi gave 3/4 of the amount he received from Ruhi to his wife. Means out of 40%, 3/4 given to wife or not? What is the remaining? 1/4 of 40%. 1/4 of 40%. And his wife is invested 4/7. Sorry, his wife is received how much? 1/4 or 3/4? 3/4. 3/4 of which one? 40%. 3/4 of 40%. His wife is invested 4/7 of the money in scheme. From the remaining amount, she gave half of the money to her maid. Out of the 3/4, 4/7 are invested in scheme. What is the remaining value? 3/7. 3/7. In that half value are given to which one? Maid. Means out of this one half value are made means remaining also half value or not? Okay, half of the 3/7 of 3/4 of 40%, it is equal to how many rupees? 900. What is the question here? Ruhi have in the beginning. How much percent we need? 100%. Okay, 27. Denominator is how much? 7. Any cancellations? No. Then answer must be 7 multiple. Which option? First option. Only first option. 3/4 of 40, 30%. Next question number 67. In a 120 liters of mixture of milk and water, percentage of water is only 35%. The milkman gave 45 liters of this mixture to a customer and then added 30 liters of pure milk to the remaining mixture. And what is the percentage of water in the final mixture? What is the initial mixture? 120. In that water is how much? 30%. Out of 120, 45 liters gave to milkman. What is the remaining quantity? 75. In that 75 also water is how much percent? 35%. Means we return water is 35% of how many liters? 75 liters. And we are adding how many liters of milk? 30 liters of milk. 30 liters of pure milk అన్నాడు. After 45 liters are removed, what is the remaining quantity? 75. We are adding 30 liters of milk, means total mixture is how much? 105 liters అన్నాడు. 105 liters. It is the final new mixture అన్నాడు. What is the final new mixture? 105. In that water is how much? 35% of 75. But we required percentage, means multiplied by 100 అన్నాడు. Percentage 2 zeros are cancelled. 35 how many times? 3 times అన్నాడు. 75 by 3. 25% అన్నాడు. Water quantity or milk quantity? Water quantity. 68. Radha present age is 3/4 of which one? Her mother present age. Radha is 4 years younger to which one? Her sister. The respective ratio in the present age of Radha mother and Radha sister is 24:11. Radha mother is how many parts? 24 parts. Then Radha present age is 3/4 of mother present age or not? Means Radha will be how many parts? 9 parts or not? 3/4 of 24. 9 parts. Radha is how many parts? 9 parts. How many options are 9 multiples? Only one or not? Sir, no. 24 parts in the 3/8 value. 9 or not? Radha must be how many parts? 9 parts. How many options? Only one option or not? Next question number 69. Two stations A and B are 749 kilometers apart from each other. One train starts from station A at 3 p.m. and travels towards station B at 63 km/h. Another train starts from station B at 4:30 p.m. and travels towards station A at 56 km/h. How far from station B will the two trains meet? What is the distance between two stations? 749. What is the starting time of first one? 3 p.m. Second one starting time 4:30. Means in between 3:30 to 4:30 only first train are travelled or second train? First train. Means 1.5 hour or only 1 hour? 1.5 hour. What is the 1 hour value of first train? 63. Half an hour value? 31.5. 63 plus 31.5. 94.5. Out of 749, already 94.5 is travelled by first train or second train? First train. What is the difference between 749 and 94.5? 6, 20, 654.5. 9 minus 4.5, 4.5. 74 minus 9, 65. 654.5. It is the distance. Okay. The distance are travelled by both the trains after 4:30, before or after 4:30. On which direction? Opposite direction. In opposite direction means relative speed are sum of the speeds or difference of the speed? Sum of the speeds. One is 63, another one 56. What is the sum of the speeds? 119. Distance is how much? 654.5. Divide by speed. We are get the which one? Time. What is the question here? How far from station B will the two trains meet or not? Means required from B or from A? From B. What is the B speed? 56. Into 56, we are get the distance or not? Yes or no? What is the remaining distance? 654.5. What is the relative speed? 119. Distance by speed, we are get the time or not? Time into from B speed. What is the B speed? 56 or not? Yes or no? 6455. 11 multiple. First option 11 multiple. No. Second option. Yes. Third option. No. Fourth option. No. Fifth option. No. What is the actual distance? 749. In that how much distance are already first train is completed? 94.5. What is the remaining distance? 654.5. It is completed by both the trains on which direction? Opposite direction. What is the relative speed? 119. Distance by speed, we are get the time. But we required from B means what is the B speed? 56. Time into speed, we are get the distance. Numerator 11 multiple. Any cancellations in denominator? No. Answer is 11 multiple. Only one option. 308. ABC started a small business. A contributes how much? 2/5 of the total capital invested in the business. C contributes as much as A and B together అన్నాడు. Nothing but C will be C equal to A plus B అన్నాడు. Means C value is half of the total value అన్నాడు. What is the meaning? C equal to A plus B means C means half of the total value అన్నాడు. And here how many persons? 3 persons or only one? 3 persons. 2 by 5 I written 4 by 10. 2 by 5 written how much? 4 by 10. Means total how many parts? 10 parts. A received 4 parts. C received half value or double value? Half value. What is the half value? 5 parts are not. Obviously B will be 1 part or not. C get A plus B means C received half share or total share? Half share. C equal to A plus B, then we written C by A plus B equal to 1:1 or not? Okay, means C getting half of the total share or not? Total share 10 parts, C gets are 5 parts. Already A getting 4 parts, B will be 1 part. And what is the question here? B profit or A profit? B profit. Total how many parts? 10 parts. What is the 10 parts value? 6250. We required 1 part or not? What is the 1 part value? 625. Next 71. A project manager hired 18 men to complete a project in how many days? 37 days. After 28 days, he realized that only 4 by 7th of the work is completed. How many more men does he needed to hire to complete the project on time? Okay. Actually 18% can complete the project in how many days? 37 days. But after 28 days, how much work are completed? 4 by 7. Means 18% how many days are working? 28 days. How much work are completed? 4 parts are not. 18%, 28 days are working. How much work are completed? 4 parts. What is the remaining work? 3 parts are not. The 3 parts are completed by how many more men does he needed to complete the project on time? On time means out of 37 already 28 days complete. What is the remaining? 9 days. Means remaining 9 days, remaining work must be completed or not? Remaining how many days? 9 days. What is the remaining work? 3. But your question is how many more men are working or not? Already how many men? 18. 18 plus some persons or not? 18 plus some persons. 18 persons, 20 days work are 4 parts. 18 persons plus some persons, 9 days work are 3 parts. Equal or different? Equal. 9 how many times 18? 2 times. 4 how many times? 7. 7 2s are 14 into 3, 42. 18 plus m equal to 42, m equal to 24. Next question number 72. Navya took a certain sum as a loan from a bank at the rate of 9% per annum, simple interest. She lent the same amount to Vinu at 13% simple interest per annum. At the end of the 4 years, Navya made a profit of how much? 1440 from the deal. How much did Navya take as a loan from the banker? What is the per annum rate of person she pay? 9%. But he received 13%. Means per annum how much percent are extra? 4%. But in 4 years, how many rupees are profit? 1440. 4 years profit are 1440. What is the 1 year profit? 360 or not? But 1 year profit in terms of percentage? 4%. Then we return 4% equal to how many rupees? 360 or not? What is the question here? Sum we required. How much percent we need? 100%. What is the answer? 9000 or not? 73. A bag contains 7 red balls, 5 green balls and 3 blue balls. If 3 balls are picked at random, what is the probability that one of them is a green and 2 of them are blue in color? Okay. What is the sample size? Total how many balls? 15. Then we return 15. C3 or not? What is the event size? 1 must be green. How many green are there? 5. 5C1. 2 are blue. How many blue balls are there? 3 blue balls. Nothing but 3C2. 5C1 into 3C2. by 15C3 అన్నాడు. ఈవెన్ సైజ్ బై శాంపిల్ సైజ్ we are get the probability of an event అన్నాడు. 5C1 means 5, 3C2 means 3 by 15C3, 15 into 14 into 13 by 6. This one we written into 6 అన్నాడు. 5 3s are 15, denominator cancel అన్నాడు. 2 how many times numerator? 3 times, denominator 7 times. What is the answer? 3 by 91. Why we are multiplied by 6? 15 into, actually 15C3 means we return 15 into 14 into 13 by 1 into 2 into 3 anode. Denominator we are getting 6, it will become into 6. Next 74. A rectangular plot 41 meters long and 33 meters broad has two concrete crossroads of equal width or different width? Equal width. Running in the middle of the plot, one is parallel to the which one? Length, another one is parallel to the breadth. The rest of the plot used as a lawn. If the area of the lawn is how much? 1073 meter square. What is the question here? What is the width of the each of the crossroads? Okay. What is the length of the plot? 41. What is the breadth value? 33. And here how many concrete crossroads? 2 concrete crossroads or not? Okay. But width values same or different? Same. Suppose here width I consider W. Here also width are W or not? First one is how much? 41 minus W or not? It is inside rectangle length or not? Next, what is the inside rectangle breadth? 33 minus W or not? Okay, that is considered lawn or not? What is the lawn length? 41 minus W. What is the lawn breadth? 33 minus W. 41 minus W, it is the length value. 33 minus W, it is the breadth value. Length into breadth, we are get the area or not? What is the lawn area? 1073 or not? 41 minus W into 33 minus W. We are get the how much? 1073. Only lawn we required. Lawn means it will be 41 minus W and 33 minus W. Length into breadth we are get the area or not? Okay. Verify the options, it will be easier or not? Width of the path. If you are consider 4 sides, but we are consider only length side and breadth side are taken. Only lawn are taken. 1073, it is which one area? Lawn area or not? Means lawn side length is how much? 41 minus W. Breadth is how much? 33 minus W. Length into breadth or not? Okay. 41 minus W into 33 minus W, it is equal to how much? 1073. Verify the options, it will be easier or not? Okay. 2.5 not possible, 4.5 also not possible or not? Because 41 minus 2.5 we are getting how much? 41 minus 2.5, 38.5. 33 minus 2.5 we are getting points or not? Both are multiplied, we are get the end with 0.5 something or not? Means first option not possible, third option also not possible. What is the second option? 5. Verify the second option. 41 minus 5, 36 into 33 minus 5, 28 or not? 36 into 28, end with 3? No. Next, what is the third option? Sorry, fourth option, 4. 41 minus 4, 37. 33 minus 4, 29. 37 into 29, end with 3 or not? Then width of the crossroads is how much? 4 or not? Two formulas we written actually. L plus B minus W into W, that is equal to total area minus lawn area. Or else directly we written L minus W into B minus W, that is equal to which one? Area of the lawn. L minus W into B minus W, that is equal to area of the lawn. Next question number 75. A wholesaler mixes 2 types of sugar. One costing is how much? 20 rupees per kilo. Another one is costing 18 rupees per kilo. The quantities they were mixed inverse in the ratio of 5:3. If he sold the new mixed variety at 14 rupees per kilo to a retailer, how much did the wholesaler loss or gain in the whole dealer? First one, what is the per kg value? 20. Second one, per kg value 18. What is the first one quantity? 5 kgs. Second one quantity 3 kgs. These two are adding, we are get the total cost of how many kgs? 8 kgs. First one 5 kgs, second one 3 kgs. Both are adding, we are get the total cost of how many kgs? 8 kgs. Divide by 8, we are get the cost price of 1 kg or 2 kgs? 1 kg. Cost price of 1 kg of mixture. 25 is how much? 100. 18 3 is 54. 154 by 800. 154 by 8. That is cost price of the mixture per kg. Next, what the selling price of the mixture per kg is given? 1400. Okay. Suppose first one I multiplied by 8 times. Second one also multiplied by 8 times. Because ratio. What is the cost price and selling price ratio? 154 by 8 and another one 14. Then we are getting one is 154 value, another one 112. One is cost price, another one selling price. What is the difference value? 42. 42 upon which one? 154 into 100. 7 how many times? 6 times. 7 how many times? 22 times. 6 by 22 means 3 by 11. 3 by 11. What is the 1 by 11 value? 9 1 by 11. 3 by 11 means 27. 3 by 11%. Loss or gain? Loss. Okay.